That's totally awesome! Stand back, citizens, for it is I, Johnny X!
Hey, it's James Arnold Taylor, the voice of Johnny Test.
Mom, since this morning, I've jumped over a shark moat, had an aerial dogfight, and survived a TV-style car chase, and I'm fine.
While recording the voice of Johnny is a huge part, there's also writing the script, animation, music. There's a lot that goes into creating it. But there's one thing that really makes the show.
Okay, that is enough!
I can't imagine the show without that. But it took a lot of trial and error before our sound guy found that perfect sound effect.
Okay, that is enough!
In the end, we went with what works best. The whip.
Johnny Test, new episode tonight at 7/6 Central.
Only on